What's up, Simply Nation? It's your girl Simply Jojo, and I'm back with another video. So I have filmed before, maybe 2 days ago. It was 2 days ago. I filmed a video where I literally attempted the butterfly locks for the first time. I watched like a couple of YouTube videos and then I attempted it. So here is my final result. Now, don't come for me because I literally went to the pool yesterday, so it doesn't look as fresh, and I'm not really good at parts. So those are things that I'm working on. But all in all, for my first time actually doing this style, it actually looks really good. I like it. It's cute, it's short, it's spunky. But yeah, guys. Damn. So in the rest of the video, I'm going to show you what I did, how I started. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go and watch that. And if you like, oh my goodness, this one won't stay. Okay. But guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're on the road to 1K. And I'm sorry guys, I haven't been posting for Vlogmas. I haven't been doing much, but your girl is literally not in New York anymore. I guess you'll find out in the next video where I am. So if you're in the area, say what's up. If you're not in the area, still say what's up in the comment section, because wherever I go, we go. So I'm gonna let you guys watch what I did that way.
Hey guys, your girl is back. So I'm starting on freshly blow dried hair. Look at all that hair, that volume. I'm giving you volume, baby. All black, no dye, naturally black, baby. I'm giving you volume. Okay guys, so let me stop playing. What I'm gonna start by doing is I'm gonna try and attempt a proper part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm parting the back, but I'm not doing it the usual way I do it. I don't know why. I've seen other I've seen other YouTubers do it this way. I've seen a lot of hairstylists part this way. I don't know why exactly they part this way, so I wanted to try something different. It's obviously hard for me because I cannot see, but you know what? Your girl is working through it. Work this out. Be just fine. The sun will shine. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing because y'all gonna unsubscribe. But anyways, guys, let's keep watching. So boom, that's what it's looking like. So the parts are not exactly straight like I wanted, but you know what, your girl was working on it, your girl was trying. But I gave up. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I gave up some of the way because I needed to get started and I needed to, speed up the process. Don't know why I keep waving, but hello, I am exhausted. It took me about 3 hours to do just the back. Trial and error. Like I said, my first time ever doing it. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and then boom, I wanted to attempt it. I literally think this style is so cute. So, so I had to try it. But guys, I'm about to give up. If there's a prayer out there, pray for me, y'all, because this hair is taking forever. So your girl is doing exactly what they told her to do in those YouTube videos. I am taking that crochet needle, putting my hair, pulling that false hair through, and I'm doing the wrapping method. So right now it's looking kind of skinny, but don't worry, never fear. Your girl Jo is here. So once I wrap it all the way down to the length that I want, I'm going to wrap it back up to thicken it up and give it that bohemian, that natural lock, curly lock look. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Now, you guys see me talking and looking up, looking to the side. No, I'm not crazy. Andrew's literally just walked in to keep me company. I've been doing my hair for hours, and he just stopped by to support. Okay, guys, the final stretch, the final 8 pieces of hair. I just want to show you guys real quick. This process has been super long, super annoying, super tiring, but honestly, all in all, I love the results. I love the way my hair looks. Next time, I'm just gonna have somebody else do it for me, because me sitting there and just no. And you don't see my parts. I need help. I need help on how to part. I don't know how to part for nothing. But you know, your girl is literally trying. But guys, I have contemplated everything. Cutting my hair, just stopping and walking out, just like that, with half my hair not done. But you know what? I pushed through it. I pushed through all of that, and I finished my hair at 1 a.m. I think I started, if I'm not mistaken, I woke up in the morning, I had to go to the hair shop, and from the hair shop, I immediately started. I washed my hair, blow dried it, braided it, and then started like wrapping and doing the logs. I started probably, I want to say at 2:30, finished at 1 a.m. Yes, I'll say that one more time. I started at 2:30 and finished at 1 a.m. I didn't think it was going to take that long, but then again, you never expect that. But you can see me yawning in the video. I'm pretty much over it. Andrews is in the back watching a movie, a very intriguing movie. It's a Star Wars movie. We're watching Star Wars, and I'm basically over it at this point. So yeah, guys, I did finish it. Will I ever attempt to do this again? Honestly, no. It took way too long. I'll just have somebody do it for me. Nope. Love you guys. We're on the road to 1K. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys. Guys. Love you all. Bye.